Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal and today I'm going to tell you how we can make a letter dance. So we call it letter dance animation. The basic blocks, how they work, how the sprite create, move, and how to control it on the keyboard and on the mouse click. We have learned it so far in my past videos. You can just go and search it over there. Now today what I'm telling you what is dance letter dance animation is. Okay, so you have seen here, every letter is coming from the right side. So that is your choice from where you want to start a letter coming from and how it will dance. So you can choose the costume according to you. I will tell you how we can start creating it. Letters we have already in the library, so we can just go quickly over there and just take a letter. So we don't need a cat. I'm just going to go there, go to the letters category. We have this simple letters as well and these colorful. So let's say I'm just going to take this letter. I want to start it from coming from here. When I click on green flag, I want to have one simple background. You can just draw the background. You can have your own background. So in that case, I would just go for the simple drawing of a background. I'm just going to make one square. Let's make it a little bit bigger so that it will not show any kind of edges. Black color border. Now let's go to the color and here we can choose a fill color totally full, the shadows. So I'll just choose this and let's pick it up. What kind of other shade you want to have? So I would like to have this shade. Yeah, so that's my backdrop too. Now when green flag clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Okay. Now when green flag clicked, so backdrop is already there. I want the go to position this. And after this, the letter should start coming. Ting tang ting tang. But let's go to the costume. You can see that our letter does not have. So we can simply create a duplicate of this. I want to create a three. So one is going to be straight. Second one is going to be tilted. So to make it tilt, you can just simply select it and use this. And now again, select it. So this way we have already done this. So we have it. Okay. Now this switch costume in the beginning, the letter should be straight. Now we need, it should be coming like, here, how many times you would like to move. So that many steps we have to see. So when green flag, after this, I want to this. Let's come here, go to the control and take the repeat loop. Let's say assuming I need it like, 20 times repeating. So, and every time I need a wait. And again, moving steps. So move 10 steps and switch the costume after this. Switch costume, glow 2 and then wait for let's say 0.4 seconds and I want to do the same again. Duplicate, move 10 steps, glow 3. Yeah, so if I click, so it's going backward. So which means exposition is not increasing here, it is decreasing. So moving in the 10 steps, I can do this. Otherwise, I can change the exposition as well. So we can simply see this. I think that's working fine. Only we need to check that 20 steps are enough or not. If 20 steps are enough, then our letter A should reach here. Keep on going. Okay. Yeah, it is good enough. I'll just change its size. Yeah. And once it will reach here, after the loop, I will turn it to this glow A. And now this same kind of code I need to make onto the other letter. So assuming that I'm making a name called Anna, A-N-A, three-letter name so that we can quickly do it. And again, I will duplicate it as I need A again, duplicate. Yeah. So now let's come here. I told you that we can do the copy and paste this. And here again, Control C and Control V. And okay, it already has it. This. Now let's come here. Okay, stop. So how I'm going to send this message? Remember, I told you about the broadcasting messages. So we can just broadcast a message. Once the letter is going to reach here, so I will just broadcast this message that now it's time to call N. Call N. Okay. So when it will start, it it will be hiding there. So we need to hide it on this and switch costume. It will be shown when the broadcast message will arrive to us. When I receive call and that time it will show and then it will go. But now we can see that we don't need it like 20 times. Now it's 160, 16 times is enough. Now I need to change this message call A and again I will go there. I have to do height and it will be shown onto the message calling A. When I receive call A show and it will be around 13 maybe. We will just check and I have to add this broadcast message here. Broadcast calling and here we don't need it. So now let's see. Uh-oh. Oops, I have done it here. Instead I have to do it here. Show. There is no hide actually, so we don't need it. And when we come here, I need to call it. If you see, I have done this swapping in the coding area. This when I receive call N, this is 20, that's good. Now it should be, where is the broadcast message? Call N. Okay, when I receive call N, it's going to be show. Before it will be hide and we will call it later. But here if you see we have to make it N, N and we need to quickly create the costume of letter N. Tilted towards left, tilted towards right and here we are done. This will be N2, this will be N3 and this will be simply N and call A. Now running this loop 16 times. See, this is very fast and very simple. And here, glow A, hide, and 13 times call A2, A3. Yeah, glow A and perfect. We have already these glow 2, glow 3, A3. Now let's see. A is coming. Positioning should be clear. Okay. So 16, we can see a little bit more. So I can go for 15. And also I can go for only 12. Okay. And once these letter will come over here, if you want to animate your background as well, or you want to switch the background as well, you can do that also. So you can upload any background, or you can just choose some other background from here, whichever you like. So let's say I'm just taking this. Okay. So when I come here, I will take it. Hmm. So what I'm doing, I'm just making them a little less. This is gonna be 19 times, this is gonna be 14 times, and this is gonna be 11 times. And here you can just switch the background. After we have reached here, switch backdrop. Okay, switch backdrop to night sky. And now let's come to the let's give a different kind of here animation when backdrop switches to backdrop 2. So in the beginning, I want to make a repeat loop, let's say 20 times, and go to the loops, and here we have change effect. So I will do change color effect by -10, and control weighted for 0.5. And whenever we are changing any color, we always should give in the beginning clear graphic effect, in the end clear graphic effect. And the same I can just copy, duplicate, and paste it. And instead of this, I will this. And now we are just missing the sound. So let's go to the sound and add to the library, go to the loop. Okay, let's say this. I'm just quickly showing you when green flag clicked, go to the forever loop, and go to the sounds, play sound until done. So this sound is gonna be keep on coming. Now let's run. Okay, that's it. If you want to make them dance again, we can like this, what how I have did. So when the backdrop switches to the next backdrop, so I have just done the same coding. So you can just use this repeat loop again for one more time. When backdrop switches, use this. So those letters are going to be dancing. Remove the move and try it. And when you try, just make some project and add your links in the comment section so that I can check. And if you have any doubt, you want to ask something else in Scratch and animation, and then you can drop a message on in the comment section. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. And also, I'm gonna coming up with a new coding platform to show you the animation with the puzzle solving skill. Okay then, bye.